Day 89 of the rest of my life. 89 days ago, I quit my corporate job to pursue my passion of starting our successful clothing brand MUEL, and to show you that when you align your passions with your purpose, everything and anything is possible. Today, on day 89, I had the morning off and I had a shift from 2 to 6, 4-hour shift, made some bread, but I'm hitting a wall. And I want to share with you guys how I'm feeling right now and some of the things that I'm experiencing with working 2 jobs. I just finished doing a workout. Also trying to stay in shape and eat healthy and get my business going and manage all these different aspects of life that are necessary to be a healthy human being and also a quote-unquote successful entrepreneur. So today in the morning, I woke up, took it slow because, as you know, I've been grinding, needed a little bit more sleep, and I fixed some of our YouTube titles, our thumbnails, and our tags. I'm gonna start making the videos more uniform and adding a title that is easily recognizable and is uniform. So for every video from, I think I changed 86 to a million, it's gonna be the same title: Day-MUEL, starting a clothing brand, or raw 0 to 100K journey, starting a clothing brand, and then whatever the video features. So today's video will be hitting a wall. And the reason why, I gotta switch this, I'm hitting a wall is because I do not want to work for anyone but you. I do not want to work for anyone but the members of the community, and I want to continue to add value to your life. But working these 2 jobs is painful because I want to be doing all these things that I'm doing for others, for us, and for our brand. But I need this money, and we need this money so we can invest into ourselves. So every single day, it gets harder and harder, but I'm continuing to solve these problems. Soon enough, we will have the funds that we need to invest into ourselves, and then we will start limiting those hours, and we'll only use that money to invest into going to different places such as pop-up shops, and for gas to get our car so we can travel to those pop-up shops, and to invest into things that the business needs. But I want to start limiting those hours because I don't need money to have fun. I don't need money to go on dates, to travel, to go on vacation. I only need the money to continue to grow our brand. And if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't have to work. And if it was my choice, honestly, I wouldn't work and I would spend all this time working on the brand. But student loans and a little bit of rent that I have to pay is keeping me in these roles. I do enjoy interacting with people, and I'm trying to find the positives of being out here and being able to interact with people in the town, getting my face out there, getting my story out there. But I wish I could be doing that while selling the brand and while selling our story and while selling myself and selling the experience and how we add value to the lives of the community. So I'm trying to figure out a way to speak with my managers so I can let them know that, hey, this is not going to be a forever thing. I don't want to get too involved into the work that I'm doing. Tried to find easy enough jobs to get by and collect a check for us, but having some trouble separating and drawing some boundaries, because when you go to work for someone else, there's expectations that they expect of you, and if you don't fulfill those expectations, then that's a problem for them. So I want to be able to set the expectations for MUEL, set the expectations for ourselves, set what we want to do business-wise, and put all of our hard work and our effort into us. So the only thing keeping me going is these workouts that I do after work. I've been eating like crap, and I'm slipping up. And right now, I am catching that, and I am going to move forward from here knowing that I'm slipping up and pick myself up before it gets too, and move forward. So share this with someone who is slipping up on their journey and tell them to tighten up, keep going. You're doing what you need to be doing. Stay focused and keep going. So I want you to share this with one person. Tell them to tighten up and keep going. They're on the right track as long as they are choosing to do what they want to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's win from within today.